I still want to show you, it's still pretty far away. It's still 860 miles away. That's a long distance, so we have some time to prepare. There's a lot of wiggle room in there. The storm could adjust to the north or south, and so the track is still fairly uncertain, especially as it gets closer and closer to Florida. Here's a look at what's happening on the radar picture out of Puerto Rico. You can see the eye in the middle here, a little more well-defined earlier than it is right now, and we're still watching to see if there's any intensification of thunderstorm activity in yellow and orange right around the center of the eye. We'll keep an eye on that. It's moving at about 13 miles per hour to the northwest at the moment, and winds are at 85 miles per hour. That makes it a Category 1 hurricane. As it moves through the day today, it is expected to intensify pretty quickly, and we'll be watching to see when it makes that turn over to the west. So here's the latest track from the Hurricane Center, becoming potentially a Category 2 storm later today and a Category 3 storm possibly by tomorrow afternoon. Winds at 115 miles per hour. Category 3 is a major hurricane. And then winds at 120 miles per hour on Saturday, and then winds at 125 miles per hour on Sunday as a Category 3. A Category 4 hurricane has winds of 130 miles per hour. This is pretty close to that. We could see gusts up higher than that if this forecast holds. And then remaining a Category 3 as it moves in somewhere, I mean, look at the size of this cone, somewhere between South Georgia and the Florida Keys here. So it's pretty wide. I know that everybody tends to focus right on the middle of the cone right here, but it also could end up way up here and way down here. So there's a lot of room in here for it to move back and forth and adjust over the next couple of days. Let's talk a little bit about the potential for tropical storm conditions. We're looking at the possibility that we could see tropical storm conditions as early as Saturday night. So that means we could see a tropical storm watch in effect, which is put out 48 hours ahead of time by tonight. And therefore, that would be 48 hours Saturday night. We can start to see tropical storm conditions. At this point in time, computer models have us with about an 80% chance or more that we're going to see winds 39 miles per hour or higher, tropical storm conditions. Now, hurricane conditions. Right now, as we take a look through Sunday into early Monday, there's about a 20 to 24% chance that we'll see hurricane conditions. As we make our way through Monday, though, into Tuesday, we could see hurricane conditions. There's a 35, 37, 36% chance that we'll see winds 74 miles per hour or higher at least. So that's something we're going to watch for as well. So a number of watches and warnings could come out over the next couple of days or so, including tropical storm watch, tropical storm warning, hurricane watch, and possibly a hurricane warning, depending on where the track finally ends up. But for today, we've got a chance for scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. 50% chance. We've had a few thunderstorms move through the area this morning. 60% chance for rain tomorrow. Typical summertime weather. As we get into Saturday, we could see tropical storm conditions by Saturday night. It'll be a pretty stormy day anyway, with more moisture coming in. And then the possible impacts from Dorian would be on Sunday, especially Sunday afternoon, Sunday night, and for a good chunk of the day on Monday. A couple computer models have those impacts lingering until Tuesday as well.